Don't you just love it when you order a new pair of pants online? It arrives, you're all excited, you try it on, and your pants is like dragging the floor. Your pants is sweeping the floor. Your pants is like, no, I'd rather sweep the floor than look good on you. You guys, I clearly understand the struggle. As you can see, my pants is also sweeping the floor. So I decided that I'm going to show you how to reduce the length of your pants. In this method, we do not need a sewing machine, we do not need needle, we do not need thread. So this is a no-sew method of how to reduce the length of your pant. We only need two things. We need our hemming tape and our iron. Okay, so this is what our hemming tape looks like. And you guys, you can find the link to this hemming tape in the description box below. You can also find it on Amazon. You can find it in your local stores. Shein carries it, AliExpress carries it, Timo carries it, Emin tape. So it's really easy to find. You should have it at home in case you ever run into such a situation as this, especially for my last minute folks. You guys, you know yourselves, okay? I don't need to call your names. I don't need to call you out. You know yourselves. So just make sure you have this. So when you're rushing in the morning, and maybe you never tried on your new pair of pants, you can always use your hemming tape to do this. Okay, so make sure when you're putting the hemming tape, you put it at the edge of your pant. So we do this to ensure that when we press, the edge of our pant is staying. If you don't do that, it may not stay properly, and you may have to start this whole process all over again. So you measure the how much you want to fold this M by. I measured mine by one quarter, and then I'm using my iron to press. You guys, you need to apply pressure. Okay, apply pressure. Do not do it gently. This is not gentle parenting. Okay, so as you can see, I did not apply pressure when I first started, and see, can you see? It didn't stick. So I went back and applied pressure. So press it. It's called a pressing iron for a reason. So press it. Press the destiny of the pant. So yeah, I'm pressing it. I'm applying pressure, and I'm just taking my iron around that area, using all my energy to press it. And then you see what it looks like shortly. I'm going to show you the results shortly. As this is a very, very easy method, very quick method. You don't need to think too much about it. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I'm done. See, turn it to the right side. No seam at all. Is looking clean, looking good. Okay, very easy method, very quick, very easy, and as you can see, this stuck well. So I'm going to show you how to do it on the other side as well. I'm done doing the other side. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to work on the seams now because I wasn't able to do that initially. So I'm just going to press the seams closed. I'm done with the other side, and this is what my pant looks like. Very clean, very easy, no seam on the right side. Very easy method, and as you can see, my pant is no longer kissing the floor, it's no longer dragging the floor, it's no longer sweeping the floor. So you guys try out this method. It's very, very easy. Try it out and let me know. I'll see you in my other videos.